Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a new Honcho unboxing. So you're interested in seeing what I got, feel free to continue to watch. Okay, so this is a plus size apparel box, primarily spring and summer. I am all in at $155. It's 25 pieces, so that brings me to $6.20 a piece. You know how we do. To the side, the specs go. Let's dig in. Okay, so here we have a short sleeve pullover top V-neck. I actually like this. This is so pretty. You know, it's different from the others. Nice little floral. It is a 0X and the original price is $14.99. Here we have a lavender pullover short sleeve top. And it is a 2X and the original price is $14.99. Okay, here's a butterfly pullover. Ooh, look at those colors. See that? And it's a V-neck and it's by Karen Scott. And it is a 3X and the original price is $14.99. Okay. A pair of Alfani ankle pants in white. These are 16 wide and the original price is $84.50. And these have the stitching at the bottom. Nice white ankle pants. And here's another pair. So I have two pairs. And this one is an 18, but these are a little... Okay, that's just a little dust. Good. Uh-oh. I'm definitely going to have to check these. These are a little bit dirty. We pick it up, it has a small dirt, oh there it is, see it? Small dirt spot right there. So that's the thing about white, you really have to check it and make sure. Yeah, so this has dirt spots all over it. Here we go. See it there and there, and you know, you just have to. So unfortunately I won't be able to resell these because of the dirt. The only thing I could think to do is to maybe try to figure out a way that I can get it off. As you know, in previous unboxings, I've had a pair of white pants that I actually still have on the side that I have not attempted to clean yet. I can't find the cleaner product that I would need to use, so this one's gonna go to the side as well. Next is a denim sleeveless blouse. I believe it's by Style & Co. So it's like a blue and white cinch button up, and it's V-neck, and it says it's tapestry stripe. Okay, so it's a 1X, but I don't know what the regular price is because the regular price is not there. See, not there. Okay, so here are a pair of stone color capris by Karen Scott. These are a little bit different because they actually button. They're actually button up. But they still have the comfort waist. And you have functional pockets. They have button detailing on the pockets. And these are a size 24 wide. Have no idea what the original price is. But I do like the button detailing at the very bottom right here. Here are a pair of the denim comfort waist. So these are $46.50. I'm assuming the other ones are $46.50. And these are size 3X. They're a pair of cargo denim pants. And they're size 3X. And the original price is $46.50. Okay, I have two pairs of these. And they are ankle pant, skinny leg ankle pant by Alfani. In a size 18 wide. And they are $84.50 a piece. And they have this fine detailing at the bottom. A pair of pull-on white capris by Alfani. And these are a size 18 wide. And the original price is $84.50. Pair of cargo shorts by Style & Co. with the belt. And the original price for these is $52.50. And these are in the color blue. Okay, we got a pair of blue polka dot capris by NY Collection. It may be coming up black on camera, but they're actually blue and white polka dot. Woo! These dots on this camera mess with my eyes. Okay, these are size 2X and the original price is $54. Okay, here are a pair of pull-on shorts in 1X. Just a basic pair of black pull-on shorts. I already have these listed, so all I would have to do is just increase my quantity. And they have this nice little button detailing here. A pair of slate blue capris by Style & Co. Cargo capris. And they are a size 18 wide and the original price is $34.99. Next is a pair of slimming capris by Style & Co. in a navy blue color. They're size 22 wide. And these just feel so good. Like, just nice and slimming. Nice, sleek design. And the original price is $56.50. Next is a pair of comfort waist capris in the size 3X. These are the cargo capris with the side pocket. And they are originally priced at $46.50 and they are in the color blue. Okay, here's another pair of white capris by Style & Co. And they're the nice, slim, sleek design. And they're in a size 24 wide. And the original price is $56.50. Okay, here is a black skort by Karen Scott in the size 16 wide. Got a nice comfort waist. You got your shorts underneath. And they are originally priced at $46.50. Okay, so this one is by Alfani. Ooh, they are a pair of culottes. Oh, stop it. Stop it. These are a pair of culottes. I love me some culottes. Okay, they are... okay, so these are a pair of black culottes. And they come with the striped belt. And it has this nice little black and white hem stripe going down the side. And pretty much with the culottes, it just looks like a capri pair of wide leg pants. That's all culottes are. And you could dress them up with some heels. You could dress them up with some sandals. They're perfect for an office setting, or if you're going to like some type of some type of business lunch kind of thing, that you don't want to wear pants because of the heat, and you don't want to wear a skirt because some people just don't like wearing skirts or dresses. Yes, it kind of just gives a pizzazz to the whole outfit depending on how you wear it. Okay, so these are a size 14 wide. They're tummy control, but the original price is $84.50. Okay, and here are a pair of shorts by Style & Co. Size 18 wide, and the original price is $52.50. And here are a navy pair of comfort waist capris by Karen Scott. Okay, they had the button detailing at the bottom. And I have no idea what the original price is, but they are a size 16 wide. Ooh, something in my eye. Next is these cargo capris by Karen Scott in the color navy. And they are a 1X, and the original price is $46.50. So I'm assuming the original price of the other ones that I just showed you are $46.50 as well. Two more items I think in this box. These are a pair of Style & Co. denim capris. These sold so well for me when I listed them. They literally sold within 24 hours. So all I have to do is just increase my listing now to say that I have some that can stock. So these are mid-rise denim capris, and they are a size 18 wide, and the original price is $59.50. Last thing in this box is another pair of capris, just a wash shade darker. So these are like a medium wash, and they are in a size 16 wide. Original price is $59.50, and they're cuffed at the bottom. Okay. So my final thoughts are that I was a little down when I found a pair of pants that were dirty, but that's not Honcho's fault. You know, I can't say it's their fault. I don't know where exactly it happened. It might have happened with them, or it might have actually came to them in that condition. Based on my previous unboxings with them, I believe it came to them in that condition, because I've had plenty of other white items from them that had no stains on them. And because I have previous experience in the retail world, I know how things get, and when they need to just send it back or move it back, people don't tend to say, oh, let me make sure it's pristine before we send it back to the warehouse, because it's no longer on the sales floor. So other than that, from that one item, everything else was still in good condition. Of course, I'm gonna have to review each piece and make sure everything is in good condition. Sometimes I don't see any flaws until I'm getting ready to list the item, but all in all, everything is still new with tags. Everything, even though it didn't have the final price on it, it still had the tag on it. So I have not received anything from Honcho that was new with tag without the actual tag on it. Okay, so I'm happy with the box. So as you see that I had a few repeat pieces, which gives me less work to do. I still have a little work to do, but it's still less work when it comes to having to actually create the listing. All I have to do is update the listing. So I'm happy with the box. I can't say I received stuff from them and not be happy. Knock on wood. Okay, so that's it for this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to see other videos like this, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell next to the subscribe word, and that way you'll be notified every single time I upload a new video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.